Full face, baby. Yeah, hi. Bust down, Tatiana. Yeah, hi. I wanna see you bust down. Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down.
It's my maestro on the beat, baby.
You guys, I'm sorry, it's been so long since I vlogged, but guess where I'm back at? The laundromat. So you know, last time I couldn't vlog how I wanted to, so I did an ASMR. I know some of you guys enjoyed it, so I'm back. I'm sorry I've been gone for so long. I was like going through something for a minute there. All March I didn't vlog, but we're back and we're better. I'm about to turn into Laundriana again. Let me just get my stuff from the back and let's get going. I'm still Jenny on the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter where I go.
You be like oldies?
Is that weird?
To your boyfriend?
Yeah. My imaginary boyfriend.
That's cool. I already knew, huh?
No matter where I go, I know where I came from. Fooled by the rocks that I got. I'm still Jenny on the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter where I go.
Guys, I like forgot how to vlog. I was trying to vlog in there. People just want to make conversations, which is not bad. I'm like, the guy was there this time, so I didn't really ask him if I can vlog, but he was okay with it. He was like, what are you doing? Are you making a YouTube video? And I was like, maybe. Right now my clothes are in the washer. I don't really know what to do. Usually when I'm waiting like this, I'm just on my phone, but since I'm vlogging, I can't do that. I was thinking about going to Dollar Tree to get a couple toilet trays. Okay guys, I just put my clothes into the dryer as you saw. I said I was gonna go to Dollar Tree. I'm going to Dollar Tree now. Drying takes the longest. It's gonna take about like 30-40 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm so excited to go see Us. I keep replaying I Got 5 on it. Dude, that song is like forever ruined for me because it's scary. It's scary. Now when I hear it, sometimes I turn it off, but I'm starting to get into it because I'm gonna go see the movie. I'm just gonna go to Dollar Tree, see what I can get. So I'll see you guys later. So I'm here at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna get some cleaning supplies. I'm gonna do a mini Dollar Tree haul. So I got my moisture eliminator. You know, you gotta keep it at hand. And I got some wipes as per usual, and I got a car air freshener. I really hope this smells okay because it was either between this or cherry, but I don't know. I feel like I'll get sick of cherry. I got mint. I have to get back to the laundromat so people don't steal my clothes. Oh my god, pray for me. Because it's like rusting. I don't like how it looks, so I'm gonna buy a new one. Hopefully it's not expensive, because this one I got like a couple of years back. It was like $10. Hopefully the prices haven't changed yet. Hey, he's having a whole barbecue at his shop.
Yes.
We're just gonna say it's your shop, even if it's not. It's probably is. Hey,
We're just having a barbecue.
hey, this is like normal. An orange, peppers, chicken, smells so good. Salsa, you know how we do it. You can see yourself?
I like purple.
Finally, what should I get? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm gonna get a chicken. I'll get a small piece because I don't feel that good. Hey, just one, or half of one. Grilled onions. What is a pepper? Ooh, I wanna try it. Ooh. And then a little bit of salsa, you know how we do.
Delicious.
Delicious, huh?
Very good.
The chef, compliments of the chef. I wish I could barbecue. This is so funny. It's a golf cart with the motorcycle engine. That's so cool. Do you need a driver's license to drive? It sounds stupid.
It's a regular pickup truck.
Oh.
Regular pickup truck. That's what it is. Registered, insured, everything as a truck.
This is not safe. Oh my god. So cool. Burping like crazy. Goodbye. Oh, so cool. Good night.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that. I'ma give you something, make you wanna come back. If you show me what you need, then I'll never go MIA.